Hey friends, it's Mulcher with RumbleLab, back with another Purple Cube video. If you're new to this channel, basically we like to make stuff. Stuff from our YouTube play button that goes off to help us celebrate every new subscriber, to our Purple Cube from Fortnite. With every video, our hope is that eventually you'll see something cool and think, hey, I can do that. Because the truth is, you can. None of this stuff is rocket science, and if I can do it, you totally can do it too. And since so many of you asked if you could have one of these purple cubes, we made this kit so that it's super simple for you to make your own and get started with electronics and programming. Because you'll see, once you get started making this cube, you'll find all kinds of other possibilities for really cool things that you'd like to make. The hard part is that we still need Epic Games permission to actually make the Erect-A-Kevs. So we're working on making that happen, but will you help by sharing this video? The more people that we have interested in one of these Erect-A-Kev kits, the better. So share this video and maybe tag Epic Games in the post. Anyway, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a wonderful rest of your week. See ya.